In this video, we are going to show you how to secure your iPad using guided access. Let's begin. Guided access is a simple yet powerful feature that locks your iPad to a single app, such as Photos or Safari. This is incredibly handy when showing photos or handing your iPad to children. Plus, you can disable parts of the screen to prevent unwanted navigation within the app. To set up guided access on your iPad, open Settings. Scroll down and navigate to Accessibility. Scroll down and under General section, tap on Guided Access. Once inside, tap on Guided Access to enable the mode. Now, once you activate, you will find a few extra settings beneath. Tap on Passcode Settings. Now, in here you can set a different passcode or use the Face ID or Touch ID to end guided access mode on your iPad. You can also set a timer for your iPad to automatically lock during a guided access session. Once set up, activate it with a quick triple press of the side or home button inside an app. For this video, we are taking the example of Photos here. Tap on the options at the bottom. In here, you can disable buttons, such as side and volume buttons, when running in guided access mode. You can also set a time limit by tapping the time limit option. Select the amount of time you need. Tap on Done. Lastly, if you want, you can also disable a portion of the display from not interacting with the user. Just circle the areas of the screen for that. Tap on Start to begin. Enter your passcode, and you're in. Just triple tap again on the side button to exit the mode. Learned this nifty trick? Why not elevate your other tech skills? Subscribe to Guiding Tech and delve into one of our specially curated videos just for you.